Hello everyone, myself Adarsh and here is my video presentation for task 7.2D. This time we are going to set up a communication between two Arduino cards. For the communication we are going to use 433 MHz RF transmitter and receiver modules. Now we are going to talk about 433 MHz RF transmitter and receiver module. This module is going to be used for the wireless communication in my Arduino project. These modules operate in the 433 MHz frequency band, which is within the industrial, scientific and medical radio bands. The transmitter module is responsible for sending data wirelessly, while the receiver module captures and receives the transmitted data. They can be used together to establish a communication between two Arduino boards that support the 433 MHz frequency. Now we are going to talk about how we are going to use it in our project. First we have to connect the power supply to the transmitter and receiver modules. Then we wire the transmitter data pin to an Arduino output pin and the receiver data pin to an Arduino input pin. Then we are going to code the transmitter Arduino to transmit control signals using a communication protocol like virtual wire. Then we code the receiver Arduino to receive and decode the control signals controlling the car. Then we test and debug the wireless communication between the transmitter and receiver. Now we are going to set up a second set of transmitter and receiver module for our second car. Then we modify the code for the second car, and then we are going to integrate both cars into the project by customizing the control logic and conducting various tests. As you can see, here is the programming and you can see the required code for the transmitter. Then this is the required code for the receiver. This is the end of the video. Thank you.
Nah, itu